Hi students, here I am starting online class for our students and outside students. Okay, all students open your notebook, take your pen or pencils, note the main points of these classes. Today's class for English. Okay, today class for English. Then after 2 days I will take other subject. Okay, today class for English. What is the easiest way of learning English language? What is the easiest way? So listen to me. English or all languages have 4 stages. English or Hindi or Malayalam or Tamil or Arabic or any language have 4 stages. Firstly, we understand it. That is, first one is letters. First one is letters. Second one is words. Third one is sentences. Fourth one is paragraph. Listen here. All languages have 4 stages here. I am taking English. So English have 4 stages. First one is letters. Then in LKG classes, how is starting? For letter A, B, C, D. Then after 3 months or 6 months, start words. Then UKG in first standard, making sentences. Then again start a paragraph. Then letter make words, words make sentences, sentences make paragraph. Understand it? Letters make words, words make sentences, sentences make a paragraph. Okay, that's the importance. All languages have 4 stages, that is letters, words, sentences, paragraph. Here our heading is sentences. I take from here sentences. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words. What is the main parts of sentence in English language? What is the main parts of sentence in English? Sentence consists 8 important stages. How many stages? How many parts? 8 important parts in sentences. Understand? Listen here. Send to the board. First one, subject. First one, subject. Second one, verb. First one, subject. Second one, verb. Third one, noun. Third one, noun. First one, subject. Second one, verb. Third one, noun. Fourth one, adjectives. Adjectives. Fourth one, adjectives. Fifth one, adverb. Fifth one, adverb. Sixth one, proportional. Sixth one, proportional phrase. Seventh one, clauses. Eighth one, non-finite clauses. Listen here. In sentences consist of 8 important parts. First one is subject, right here. Second one is verb. Third one is noun. Adjectives, fourth one. Fifth one adverb. Sixth one proportional phrases. Seventh one classes. Eighth one non-finite classes. 8 important parts in sentences. 8 important parts in sentences. Okay, I am going to start. Repeat it. All languages have 4 stages. I am teaching for English. English have 4 stages. That is one: letters, words, sentences, paragraph. Understand? Letters make words, words make sentences, sentences make paragraph. Then name of this chapter, sentences. So I will take sentences. What is a sentences? Sentences, a group of words. What is the main parts of the sentences? It consists of 8 important parts of sentences. But one is subject, second is verb, third is noun, fourth is adjective, fifth is adverb, sixth is proportional phrases, seventh is clauses, eighth is non-finite classes. If you decide to learn English language, you should have knowledge in these 8 parts. If you decide learning in English language, you should have knowledge in these 8 parts. Okay? Each is a subject, verb, noun, adjective, adverb, proportional phrases, clauses, non-finite classes. Okay. The next class I explained each one. Each one subject, verb, each one I explained the next classes. This today this class is end. Then continuous of this chapter next classes. Okay, thank you very much.